Thanks for stopping by. I am sure there are tons of YouTube videos out there, including mine, that have shared powerful Excel formulas with you. Nonetheless, today's video is different since I will show you how to avoid formulas and instead use keyboard shortcut Ctrl E whenever possible. So, in Excel, to join the first name and the second name, we will use concat function. So, concat, we select the first cell and insert a space within it, then select the last name column, close the bracket, enter, and we fill through. And another way you could have just entered the first name, added the second name, and fill down, and use the drop down, select flash fill. A way more easier option is to enter the first name, last name, and move to the next cell, Ctrl E. Also, to select the first name and last name for the full name, we would have used a split function, but here Ctrl E makes it easier. So let's go ahead, give T, next cell, Ctrl E. The next name, that's the last name, then Ctrl E, works perfect. And to select year, month, and day from date, Ctrl E makes it way more easier than using text functions. Enter the year from the date, 1990. Ctrl E, works perfect. The month too is 04. Let's move to the next. Ctrl E. We enter the day and Ctrl E. You can also create a mail address from employee's first name, the year of birth, and also the mail domain. So let's go ahead and work it out. So the first mail address for the first employee, so let's go. And finally, creating a custom mail for our employee name. We've created a custom mail for all the employee names. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.